Hello guys, here is another question which is a little bit hard and is asking for a value of g of 5 when you get this equation and is given us a point over here, and once you see a point you know what you do just the table first and you put the x is 2 because it's g of 2, so that's your x, and your y1 is 46. Then you type in the equation as y1 and x1 as you know, so y1 tilde 5x1 plus c open parentheses x1 plus 4. Then you go enter and write the equation exactly the same way over here. 5 g of x is equal to g of x is equal to 5x plus c parentheses x plus 4. Then you close it. Then now you just write the question, which is g of 5. It's going to give you the answer right away, which is 79. If you can see it, here it is. 79. We can just make it a little smaller over here, and you get your g of x is 79, and that's your answer.